Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a Cellnite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with the AMG exterior body styling, sports interior and exterior look, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Nut brown MB Tex interior with a natural grain brown ash wood trim, sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 19,421 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.